Good morning to everyone. I, Sebi Sambom, the spokesman of West Papua National Liberation Army. Today we publicly announcement statement, official statement on Nejo Ackerman, 15 August 1962. On this issue, let me I read this official statement. Please to floor. The official political statement of the National Command Headquarters of West Papua National Liberation Army reject the New York Agreement of August 15, 1962. I am Sebi Sambom, spokesman of the West Papua National Liberation Army. Today, on Saturday, August 15, 2026, from the General Headquarters Management of the National Command Headquarters of the West Papua National Liberation Army, on behalf of Papuan people and on behalf of Supreme Commander, we firmly reject the New York Agreement of August 15, 1962. The legal basis for us, the Papuan people, to reject the New York Agreement of August 15, 1962 is first, because the New York Agreement of August 15, 1962 was carried out by the Dutch government and the Indonesian government under the supervision of the United Nations government, United States government, without involving the indigenous Papuan. Second, we also reject it because in the case the indigenous Papuan as legal subject were not involved and actually violated the fundamental right of the indigenous Papuan as owner of the Paradise Land of Papua. Paradise Land of Papua. Third, we also reject this agreement because the New York Agreement of August 15, 1962 was the beginning of a disaster for the Papuan nation, where this agreement included